Take one.
We were in Amsterdam, and we were staying with our friends, the Shady Grade, and we shared some shows together, and we would still sleep at our place. We would crash there.
And Livia and I could not seem, for the life of us, to manage to get to bed before the sun was coming up for like 5 days in a row.
End up talking all night and drinking wine after our show, and not realizing that the birds were singing, and in 2 hours we were supposed to hit the road again.
In that process, you're sitting around, you're on tour, you got a lot of time on your hands. I started putting those thoughts into words. Livia's original idea for the video was an entire animated thing. Playing off the concept of the lyrics, we were going to try and animate the story of people hanging out in a bar and morning showing up and sort of ruining their good time.
I wrote a storyboard, I drew it and everything. And I tried to start really working on the animation, but I did realize that it's not something I could do. We were in a time crunch, and it's always boiling down to we don't have money to do this.
We ended up creating a run and gun approach, which was this idea that the masses, through the concept of one character, sort of going through the daily routine and then escaping into their nighttime self. Like everything else that has been really gone on in the Inman's career, it's been very, very DIY or DIT embraced, doing it together. Everybody in the band basically crewing up the video shoot and being a part of making that happen. We got a great location given to us for one day, so we ran out and we sort of scripted things up really fast and then went out there and kind of made up a lot of things as we went along and just tried to make this story happen, and then tacked on a secondary shoot to one of our shows, so the bar stuff all came from that. And then also just set up in our apartment one evening and brought everybody over and shot performance shots there.
I would expect people to empathize with the video, because it's just simply talking about something that all of us very often go through, especially when we have 3 jobs and we're following our passion to the point that we don't have time to sleep anymore, especially in the city. So I think, many people could recognize themselves in just the simple, easy concept of the video and the song as well.